Hi, my name is Sam Wentz, and this is my project Cyclepet. This application gives you credit for exercise logged in Strava and allows you to spend those coins on taking care of a pet. Strava is the most popular app for running and cycling and has a well-developed API. This program uses the official API with the proper authentication portal to access your data. All code to run this game is written in Python. Here you can see my pet. He's 431 hours old, and I have 76 miles stored up by biking and running. To take care of the pet, you must buy food and play with the pet. You can make your pet run by clicking on the screen, and your pet will run to where you click. If either bar at the top reaches 0, your pet will end up in the graveyard file, and you must start over. Additionally, you can purchase upgrades to the habitat background. My pet needs food, so to purchase a bowl of food, I'll go to the shop. I'll enter 0 to buy a bowl of food, and my pet will run over to eat it. This project is a work in progress. I have a list of features to implement to improve the game. I plan on adding more environments, more upgrades, and a settings screen to adjust the difficulty of keeping your pet alive, among other things. You can follow the development of this project at the GitHub link in the description. Install instructions are available for the early version of this game. Just message me on GitHub or YouTube if you have any questions about this project or how to install it. Thanks.